My people, they say that one man don't come outside, come explain the reason why Udele, which is IJELE, where he call himself, and IKENGA, Urunkata, and others, where they fight against Mazin the Kalo currently, and also the restoration of Biafra, and why these people are was the members of IPOB, you know. So one man don't come outside, come explain the kind of contract they went in with the Nigerian government or DSS in order way to leave them to come into Nigeria and live their free life. My people, I go play the video, maybe watch and pass your own judgment by yourself for inside comment section. Don't forget to share the video as you dey watch, and don't forget to also follow this page so that you go to get our update back to back. Stay tuned.
Do you know what IKENGA is doing? This is something others are into, and they have never been out of it. Go and ask IJELE. IJELE, a human trafficker. IPOB made sure they stop it. He cannot destroy our daughters and bring them to Turkey. From Libya to Turkey he started from Libya. He went to Turkey. Started the same thing. Human trafficking. He even joined IPOB to hide into IPOB and be doing his trafficking. And IPOB made sure he stopped it. He didn't stop it. We forced him down to the east. Right? We forced him down to the east. And government will now approach you. That is the worst part of it, and say, if you don't want to be arrested as an IPOB member, you have to intensify, you have to show us your hatred on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and intensify your attack direct on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That's the only price you can pay. They will not give you money. Some people say, a government is paying you. It's not pay. You are paying to save yourself. Just like Uchemefo. This contract is something you enter. They will not be paying you. You are doing it for your safety. When you start it, they will tell you, challenge Nnamdi Kanu, attack him. It is the only proof you can give to government that you are no longer with him. You know, when you was with him, you made achievements with IPOB, isn't it? So you must have to destroy those achievements you made when you was in IPOB. That is the only thing that can convince the government. So their energy will increase. That's the job Uchemefo is into. That is what George Onibo is doing that have made him a madman. What is he doing? If you want to be free from arrest, we know what you did. You know you are a broadcaster of Radio Biafra. We know you. You are not safe. We will arrest you. We don't care if you are expelled. So you must intensify your attack on IPOB and the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Show us how you hate Nnamdi Kanu. And that person will start. And when you do it and tell them, I think I have done enough, they will say, no, it is the government that will tell you have done enough. So you will continue. It is a journey of non-stopping. It is a journey of no return. That's what they told the Ikenga URUAGU. Now that Ifeanyi Ubah have disappointed you through death, and you are no longer in IPOB, do you think you are safe to return to Nigeria? No, you are not safe. So you must do what others are doing so that you can be freely coming home and going back. If not, government is seeing you as IPOB. So Ikenga hooked up. He tried to pretend no way. He tried to pretend no way. They told him you must attack Nnamdi Kanu openly. And you can see him now attacking Nnamdi Kanu. Not because he is saying truth. No, he is doing it for his safety. He is doing it so that he can come back home. That is the danger of being expelled from IPOB. You now become the target of the government, and they will condition you on how to live your life. Immediately you show yourself with IPOB. If you are no longer with IPOB, you now become an instrument to be controlled at will by the government and the enemies. You have no option. You must try to save yourself by attacking Nnamdi Kanu. You must defend yourself. You must try to give yourself security by attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It is a job. It is a journey of no return, which we knew that so many people are into, knowingly and unknowingly, willingly and unwillingly. That is the fact. We know what they are doing. They are not doing it. If you see Ikenga URUAGU jumping up and telling you, hey, Nnamdi Kanu is this, Nnamdi Kanu is that, he's trying to entice the enemy. They told him, destroy your achievement. You must destroy your achievement in IPOB because before we will accept. Are you not a broadcaster? Did you not talk against the Nigerian government? You are the same, so you must attack IPOB. So that is what they are doing. Look at their faces. They are not comfortable. They are not getting anything from government. It is just a price to pay for your safety. Having worked with IPOB, IJELE is doing it. All of them is doing it. Blessed Dom in Germany she's doing it. Everybody is doing it. If you identify with IPOB, both home and abroad, in order to show government you are no longer with them, you have to attack Mazinam Khan direct, not only IPOB. You can even leave IPOB and attack Mazinam Khan. That's what IKENGA is doing.
My people, when I don't hear am as it talk am, I beg may you drop your own opinion for inside comment section and share this video.